So our app logics are working perfect. Now it's time that we make this trip history screen dynamic. So we will come to activity screen. So let's minimize these folders. We will go to rider, view, activity, and we are here in activity screen. We will come up top, and here in body we will return as stream builder. We will go with a stream builder here, context cover event, and here we have to initialize a stream. And let's go and check for stream builder. Okay, we have a lot of stream builder. So come up here, we will copy this line of code, go back to this screen. Let's initialize the database reference here, and here it's going to be trip history reference. Okay, we are good. Now we have to import auth. So here instead of user, it's going to be, so for rider we will go with write history rider, and for driver we will go with write history driver. So let's copy this, come back to code, paste here, and we are good. So the stream is going to be write. So what was the stream name? Let's have a look. It's trip history ref. Okay, trip history ref dot on value, and we have our stream. So let's go with if connection state dot, let's go back here. What was the first? If event dot connection state. Okay, if event dot connection state equals waiting, then just return a circular progress indicator, return center child circular progress indicator, and we will go with color black. Okay, else we have to convert the data and forward in this write request format. Let's have a look. Common model, we have this write request model. Let's go with the variables date, time, write created, write end, then comes rider rating, driver rating, profile. Okay, good. So we will go with write request model, write model equals write request model dot from map, and it's going to be, here we will go with this list view builder. So let's cut this list view builder and paste up here. We will cut this list view builder, go with return, paste up here, and we are good. Now here in the list view builder item counts, it's going to be event dot data dot snapshot dot value dot snapshot dot length. So it's going to be event dot data dot snapshot dot, to list down the right data. We will go with, instead of list view dot builder, we will go with Firebase animated list. So we'll go with return Firebase animated list. Here we have to pass a query, and it's going to be trip history ref, and inside item builder we have to go with context snapshot, and here we are good. It's going to be context snapshot animation index. Let's remove this one. We have to remove a bracket from here also. let's, and here we have to return, and we have to initialize write request model inside here. We'll go with current write data equals to write request model dot from map, and it's going to be JSON decode JSON and code, and it's going to be snapshot dot value, and at last we will go with as map of string dynamic. Okay, and here we will return list. Okay, it's already an animated list. We have to return the container, this container. So we'll come down, copy the entire container, cut it, paste up here, and we are good. Now let's come down here and we will remove this list view builder. So we are good. Now let's save it. Now, okay, here we do have 4 data, and let's have a look. Here also we do have 4 data. Okay, it's good now. So we do need to introduce a little bit of padding here. Let's go up to Firebase animated list, padding, edge insets dot symmetric, horizontal is going to be 3.w, and let's save it. Okay, we are good. So now it's time that we update this field. Let's come down here, and this asset image, it's going to be network image, and it's going to be write request current write data dot driver profile dot vehicle type. So let's go with the builder. That is, we have initialized a builder earlier, so it was inside driver view, I think so, account screen activity. It was inside push notification file, common controller services, and here is our dialog. So let's search for builder, and here is our builder. So basically it returns us image. Let's copy this builder, come back here, and here it's going to be asset image only. So here we will go with a function that says get car image. We'll go with string, car type, and here it will return builder. Okay, we are good. So we will remove this write request model, and here also we will remove this write request model. So we'll come down here, and it's going to be the same thing. Get car image. Let's come up here, and it's asset image. We need to remove this thing. Okay, isn't a widget. Let's just remove this thing. Let's go with simple the URL. Okay, instead of, okay, builder basically returns a widget, so it can't be a builder. Let's go with a switch case instead. switch car type. Okay, here will be case 1, then return case 2, then return case 3, then return case 4, then return, and default, and return. So first comma case 1, that's going to be if Uber go, then return this asset, this string. If Uber sedan, then return, and if it's Uber's go sedan, then return the sedan directory, or you can say sedan path. And if it's premier, then return the premier path. Here we will go with return the premier path. And if it's else, just return this one. Copy. Here we'll go with Uber XL, then return this path. Okay, and for default also return this path. We will remove this builder, and we are good. So here is get car image. Let's come down here. It's going to be asset image, and it's going to be get car image, and here it's going to be current write data dot car type. Okay, so the car type is here. Now it's time that we go with the destination location. So here it's going to be current write data dot pickup location dot name, and here it's going to be the time when the trip ended. It's going to be current write data dot write end time. Okay, then here comes our fare, current write data dot fare. And okay, let's save it and let's have a look. Okay, it says red fort. Okay, this one. Okay, nice. So another thing which we do need to do here is that the color of the, okay, let's go with white and let's save it. Okay, it's good now. It says 1 September, it's now, then 22 May. Okay, it's good. So it's good here. Now it's time that we do the same for drivers. Okay, we have done this for rider. Now we do need to do this for driver. We will copy the entire screen, go to driver, and inside view activity screen we will paste, we will remove all, paste this one, and let's go to bottom navbar. Let's have a look what's gone missing. This is the thing that gone missing. We will change the name, and here also we'll change the name, and same goes here also. We have changed the name. Now it's time that we also change this one. It's going to be right write history driver, copy this, come back here, write history driver, and we are good. So the same write history data will be reflected back in driver's trip history also. So let's come up here. Here we do have this text. I do want to introduce another text here, and it should be pickup location. So it's the pickup location. It should be drop location, and we are good. I think so. Let's save it and let's have a look. Okay, we are getting a little bit of overflow. We have this pickup. Okay, let's go with rich text instead. Then let's introduce rich text here, and it's going to be text span children. It's going to be text span text, and let's cut this one, paste up here, comma, remove this, cut this one, paste up here, and here it's going to be text, and here we do need to add span. Let's save it and let's have a look. Okay, here we do have this one, then okay, we do need to go with a little bit of spacing here. So let's add spacing, text span text, and it's going to be okay, this much space. I think so, it's good. And here we do have we also do have to add the currency symbol. So whatever your country currency symbol is, just add that currency symbol. Okay, let's add the dollar symbol here. Okay, we are good now. Let's save it and let's have a look. Okay, so let's not go with this rich text, instead go with row, because this rich text, it's basically not giving us a proper alignment. As you can see here, it's the pricing is here the pricing is here it is here it is here. So it's not giving us an equal alignment. So let's instead copy this text span, or I will say cut this text span, not this one, this text span, paste up here. We have to remove this text, and from here we have to remove this span, and same goes for this one. Let's and paste here, and it here from here we have to remove this span, we have to remove this one, and we are good. Now it's time that we remove this rich text, and here in row we will go with main axis alignment dot space between, and it's going to be bold, and we don't need this copy paste thing. Let's save it and let's have a look. Okay, it says this is going to be the pickup, this is destination, and then it's the fare. Okay, good enough. Now we will just copy this one, go to driver, then activity screen, paste and replace with the name. Let's go to bottom navbar, we will look for the name, go to activity screen of driver and update the name, paste, and here also we will update this one, paste and paste. Okay, we are good to go, and it's great. So this is our account screen, this is our home screen, this is our service screen, activity screen where all our trips are recorded, and checkout screen. Okay, our app is done.